We're outside. One of the boys at Monster told us to host in a little, I don't even know what it is, we're gonna go see, but he told us pull up. So we're gonna pull up on the dirt bike, you know what it is. YZ125 settings today, no 450.
Listen, this be crazy!
One up, no pack, yeah? S59 shit only, no panic. We don't need a pack, outside. It's lit, it's lit. Look at all the cars. What is it? I'm not a car guy at all, but I don't know nothing about cars. I can see that's a Nissan. I can see GT on the side. I'm thinking, is that Skyline?
Yeah.
Alright, see, I know a little bit, but car-wise, I don't know anything. But let's go around to the front anyway. Whew. Monster HQ. I'm not new to this. I've been here before, but we're back. Jimmy told us to pull up, so we're pulling up. We're supporting, creating content. I told you, we're coming for the YouTube game, for the Bikelife scene this year, next year, all the years. We took a big break, but we're back, and we're gonna shut it down. Professional shit only. Let's go. So we're here at this car show. I'll add their details below. There's some sick cars, but I don't really know anything about cars. I'm a bike guy, I know nothing. I couldn't tell you what cars are what and what is good and what is worth money and X, Y, Z, but some nice things there. That's a nice color. That is cold. That is cold. The colors on that are cold. Hey guys, in the comments, let me know about cars, because I know nothing. I know absolutely nothing. Any of this means, you know, like people are looking at this and probably thinking, oh my days, it means absolutely nothing to me. Only thing I know about is like RS3s and Golf Rs and the big boy whips and that. Like, I know nothing. Nothing, yeah, nothing at all, bro. Like, they look cool, don't get it twisted, but probably we'll get into this drifting stuff. We're working with loads of people, we crusade, and we're doing all that. I've been in a drift car with the youngest drift champion, I'm pretty sure. I forgot what his name is. I'll put his socials there, I'll add the video in. But yeah, that was lit. Drift car settings, it was lit, but yeah. We're just not there yet. We're a biker and I love bikes, so stick to what we're good at, you get me? Them cars I know about. What's that over there? That's like a M3 or something, isn't it? I know about that. What's that blue thing? M3? M4? I know about the Beamers and the... I know what that is. I don't know what it is, but I know that's a supercar. What supercar is that, Beam Up? Show them. What supercar is that? McLaren. What, 720? 640? 615? I don't know. I don't know. I know there's numbers, but I don't know like what's really going on. 600 LT, that's what it is. You're saying, Ollie, how many years till we're in one of them? Huh? How many years till we're in one of them? Oh, tell him again, one. We're soon there, we're soon there. Like, comment and subscribe so we can be there quickly. Yeah? What else is there? We'll go look at that Porsche. That Porsche is cold over there at the end. Come, we'll go look at it. These are the only cars I know about. Oh look, GT3 RS. I know about that from, who taught me about them? Mark McCann.
Told him pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going.
Hey, look at that, I'm gonna do my back like that. I should have did my back like that so it matches.
Your back is matching, you're purple.
That's got a seat for you, B-Mob. That's a bit of you. That's a seat for you. I swear. Look at the dice. Size of my balls. I wanted to buy one of them. You know you can drive them at 16. They're like on the back, no, the ape. The Piaggio ape ones you can drive at 16. So if anyone wants to do it, you can do it. That's cold. That is sick. That is sick. If that's what I think it is, a Piaggio ape, you can drive them at 16 on a provisional because they're classed as a bike because they're a freewheeler or some shit like that. I was gonna buy one of them when I didn't have a license. Couldn't get a license. Allow me. I have. Oh, this is cold. Fat car. This is what I'm talking about. M3 comps and that. I know about these ones. You get me? M3 comp. That's cold. Look at the seats on it. Ooh. That's bad. That is bad. Another one. GT3. Watch this. Put the camera on me. That looks like it's got a Wise Tech pack. Yeah, I think it's got a Wise Tech pack. I'm not even probably saying it right. I think I know things. Yeah, let's see if it has. Should say it somewhere now. Who had the Wise? Yeah, oi. That's how you know I'm a bad boy. I told you. I'm a biker, but I know some stuff. Don't play with me. I'm learning. I'm coming for it. Yeah, I don't even know who taught me that. Maybe I learned that from like DMO or Driver Dave or someone. I couldn't tell you, but we're learning. Yeah, I knew about that pack. That pack's expensive when they spec that car, boy. This is nice. The color of this, crazy.
Right now, and I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights out. Look.
Batty boy. Wow, look upon my uncle on the wall, G.
Text like I ain't playing X and O's. Go compare the numbers, said I think they missing.
Wrap. Shout out to Monster for hitting us up and telling us pull up. You've seen some sick cars. We got an exclusive tour of their new HQ. Well, not their new HQ. This is their first HQ, and they've bought the second building. They're not. See you lots later, yeah? See you later, my brother. Have a good one, yeah?
That's the most. Look, told him that I'm about to run it now. Too much money out of music, dog. Now the bank account is never running out. Educated on the thing they said. When I'm talking to him, I can dumb it down. At the summit of this mountain, dog, and I'm camping out. I'm never.
Tune in next week, 7:30 p.m. Picking up my dirt bike that I won for £20, and we're raffling it. So we're gonna see who wins it as well. Let's go.